Cup. And today is Tuesday the 1st of October, noon, and we had an unboxing for you today. Unboxing. So let's see, what do we have? Wrapping, bubble wrap. Here we have Soundcore SPACE ONE noise cancelling headphones. So, it says there's a travel pouch in the box, auxiliary cable, USB-C cable. So, let's see what you think. Pull back. Okay, we have right and left. Now I wanted something to cover the ear. That is exactly what these are. Let's just see they fold up this way, and then so it's the left one that goes in. Not the, oh no, the right one does as well. So, but then they go like this. So if they were on the neck, they would be cushions in to the chest. Cushions into the chest. Turn. The wearing detection sensor allows automatic play and pause. Activate this feature via the Soundcore app. We have a code here, so we have to do that in a minute. Left and right. We have a noise cancelling button, power button, we have the USB-C charging port, we have the auxiliary, the hole for the cable, and then we have volume up, volume down, and we have play and pause button. Very nice, they feel extremely nice, and feel soft, feel very good quality. Slider, slidey, they don't feel cheap, they weren't cheap, they were 710 baht, including delivery. What's that? A little port on the left one. There's a little plastic thing to take off, so I'll take it off. See what it is, it's like a... Ah, I see. What do I see? Let's do the noise cancelling. Oh, let's do detection. I have to do the detection. Maybe he wasn't meant to take it off. Were you meant to take it off? I don't know. Just put it back on. Looks like you meant to take it off. There's a little lever on it. That's a little bit. There's a little pulley port, but then I suppose if you put it on, you use that to put it on. I thought you'd take it off. I mean, I'll put it back on again and take it off again probably. I don't want to lose it. The best place to go is where it was. Keep it safe. Maybe someone let me know what that is, if you're meant to put it on or off. I would have thought off, definitely. It's not meant to be on there. It's on the left ear only, so let me know what that is. I'll check it out. Very strange seeing it at first. I was like, what's that? I was like, why isn't it on the right? I was like, really? What's that for? But it seems to do with detection, I thought. It's the only thing I can think of. So, sizing. I feel very comfortable. Right, I'm going to give these a charge up and connect them. Okay, so we've been using these Space Ones for over 24 hours. and we're impressed. They're very, very, very comfortable. Soft foam padding top, soft foam padding. They have plenty of room. I only use it like 1, 2, 3, 4 down, 4 or 5, depending on if I'm wearing a hat. How many notches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's on each side, so that's 22. 22. I use it on say 8 or 10. Maybe bigger hat more. So let me just see. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 notches on there as well. So it can go. Which one's the left? Left is this one. So it can go. Biggest is left and right. This is the biggest it goes. So it's big, and smallest so I like it 1, 2, 3, 4 say, and Nung Song Sound C. So like that, and it perfectly covers both ears. Now we have the volume rocker on the here. We have up, increase like volume up, and then volume down on the rocker. So up, down, and then we have the play and pause button, and it also answers calls, and I believe you can hold it to end a call. Either way, I didn't test that out, but the sound volume on a call is very good, crisp, clear, and the other person said they could hear me crisp through the microphone. So that's this side, and then as I said, very comfortable. You have left and right labelled, and this, they fold in like this, so when it's on your chest, left and right, it'll be left and right like this, so it's here, it's comfortable, that's fine. They also have a little bag, carry bag, just to keep them safe. I'd probably put them in there like this, they fold up like this, so, and maybe even tan heads I suppose, or don't know, let me see. No, maybe not if it's going in the bag, I don't know. If it's going in the bag, probably just fold it up, let me see. Yeah, that's fine, yeah. Then put them in. It's not the strongest bag in the world, but keeps them clean and tidy. I'll just put them on the table still, not on the floor. They have, where is it? Here it is. On the left ear, it has the sensor, which is what I was looking at. I took it off. I read the instructions. Take off the little plastic piece that's there, throw it away, and then it's got like a little sensor on there, so it just senses whether it's on and off to pause and play the music. It's not on the right one, it's just on the left. And the right ear. The right ear has, oh sorry, it's on the right ear. Sorry, it's the left ear. Right, okay, the left ear has the noise cancelling and the power button. So just two buttons on each really. The rocker is the rocker here. Rocker up down volume, and then the play and pause underneath, and then on the left side we have the noise cancelling and the power, and then underneath you have the auxiliary, so you can plug in a cable if you want. It came with a cable, auxiliary jack to jack, and the USB-C for powering. Now the battery's lasted, it's on high, it still says it's got a high battery, very good. Also, one of the features you can turn on is over the left ear. If someone starts talking to you, or you want to start talking to someone, listening to something or hear something, is you just hold your hand over the left ear. Now you turn that on in the settings. You need to put the Soundcore app onto your phone, and in the settings, hold your hand over here, and the sound be able to hear around you a lot easier after a while. These aren't on at the moment, so it's not going to work. And also the features on the noise cancelling, you also have noise cancelling mode, the normal mode, and then transparency mode. So transparency mode enables you to hear all of your surroundings, and it's very good. Transparency mode, you can hear everything clearly around you. It's like you're not wearing the headphones. And also when you hold the hand up, it reduces the music volume so that you can hear the person talking, but also it raises their volume slightly so that you can, again, so you can hear them, easily. And if you double tap the noise cancelling button, you can boost the bass. That setting you can turn on as well if you like to in the settings on the app, Soundcore app. So all in all, I think these are very good headphones. They're very comfortable and definitely a good purchase, I'd say. Soundcore, I have some of their other products, and I am happy with these. Music sounds clear, crisp, and voices sound crisp on calls. Apparently so do I, so that's good. Okay, I give these a 9. I give them a 9 out of 10. So they're very good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. And if you're watching, please subscribe, like and share, as it helps the channel to grow. And yes, I'll see you on the next video. Cop and cut.